Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about Erba Mannheim Excel System Pack Cholesterol Kit. Yeah. Over here you can find the code number 121021. It is a cholesterol kit. It consists of R1 cholesterol reagent 10 into 44 ml, and this is compatible with Erba machines used to determine the cholesterol level in human blood or serum. Yeah, you can find the temperature maintained should be 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius, and this is a C certified product. And at the bottom you can find the manufacturing details. Now I am going to show you the side view of the boxes. Over here you can find the brand name Erba Mannheim. This is the top view. To summarize it, this pack consists of 10 into 44 ml R1 cholesterol reagent. Thank you.